Welcome back. In the kitchen today, we've got Jess Thomas here to make chocolate peanut butter crisps. Chocolate peanut butter crisps. Let's take a look.
Yes.
Hey y'all, it's Jess. Rice cakes are not the tastiest treat, and sometimes people use them to be healthier. Well, let's make them into candy. I love chocolate and peanut butter, so let's get started on some chocolate peanut butter rice cakes. I'm starting out with 2 tablespoons of peanut butter for each rice cake. So I've got 4 tablespoons here, as well as 1 tablespoon of honey per rice cake. So I've got 2 tablespoons here. I'm using chunky peanut butter because that's my preference. So you can use smooth if you like, and you don't even have to use peanut butter. You can use any kind of nut butter or even sunflower butter. So I just spread that onto my rice cake, and you'll notice that this is perfect for just 2 servings. I actually think even 1 rice cake, when you eat it, seems a little bit filling, but to each his own. So I've got half a cup of chocolate that I've chopped up. You could also use chocolate chips. And then I'm putting in 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. So I'm going to stick that in the microwave. After a minute, I'm stirring it around, and I stick it back for 30 seconds, and then I keep stirring. I don't want to keep microwaving it because you don't want to overheat it. If you just keep stirring, eventually you'll get that smooth texture. Now, to prevent such a mess, I'm going to put out some wax paper. You can also use parchment paper. And then just pour on your chocolate evenly. After you've poured it on completely, then just start moving it around, trying to make it all even so the sides are coated as well. This not only looks pretty, but this way each bite has a delicious taste of chocolate. And then I just keep it in the fridge till it firms up, and that's it. Perfect. Drenched in chocolate, these are amazing. I hope you try it, and if you do, I want you to show me how yours turns out. Maybe you're gonna do a different variation. I'd love to see your creations. You can find me on Instagram at Jess Soul Food. Let's dig in. So good. You can find this recipe as well as other recipes and tips on my Instagram page. And if you want to book a cooking class, you can find me there as well. Thanks so much for watching.